In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable comments from members on Trello. We'll start right from your browser so everyone can follow along. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. From the results, click the official Trello website to open it. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your boards. Once you're in Trello, open the specific board where you want to turn off member comments. This change applies per board, so make sure you're on the correct one. You'll need to be a board admin to adjust these settings. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, you may need to ask a board admin to make the change for you. With your board open, look to the top right corner for the three dots menu. Click that to open the board menu. If your screen is narrower or the layout looks a little different, you might see a Show Menu button first. Click that, and then find the three dots. From the menu, click Settings. This is where you manage how your board works and who can do what. Inside Settings, find the Permissions area. Permissions control the actions members are allowed to take, and that's exactly where commenting is managed. Next, look for the option labeled Commenting. This setting typically offers choices like allowing comments from all members, restricting to certain roles, or turning them off entirely. Click into Commenting to see the available options. To stop members from leaving new comments on cards in this board, choose Disabled. Selecting Disabled prevents non-admin members from adding comments going forward. Admins usually retain control features, and any existing comments on cards will remain visible unless you manually remove them. There's no need to save. Trello applies this change immediately. A quick tip. Disabling comments can be helpful when you want to keep cards tidy, when you're finalizing a project phase, or when you prefer updates to happen through checklists and card fields. If you ever need to allow comments again, you can come back to this same place and switch the setting to a less restrictive option. Also, remember that notifications about past comments won't disappear. This only controls the ability to add new ones. That's all there is to it. You navigated to Trello, opened your board, accessed the three dots menu, went into Settings, opened Permissions, selected Commenting, and set it to Disabled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Trello board more cleanly and confidently.